A very warm welcome. My name is Tanya Shukla and I'm gonna tell you about the third type question from chapter number 7, Mathematical Induction. So in this type, we simply have to follow the 3 rules. This type is quite similar to the previous questions you definitely had learned in the previous videos. So as to make it more easier, I just write down these steps in a very easy way. You just have to follow 3 steps: basic, assumptions and inductions. So not to waste time, let's start first example, which tells that we have to prove by induction that 21 divides by 4 raised to power n plus 1 plus 5 raised to power 2n minus 1. So here we apply the first step. Here we put n equals to 1. By putting or by simple calculation, we get 16 plus 5 equals to 21, as you saw here. So now we know that 21 is divided by itself. Isn't it divisible by itself? Yes. So this is true. We apply the second step, that is assumptions. For assumptions, we have to put the value of n equals to k. Here we just put k in the place of n. So here by putting and by solving, we just get the value of 5 raised to power 2k minus 1. That is here, right? So after that we apply the third step, which is induction, where you have to put the value of n equals to k plus 1, right? So we put here k plus 1 and so on and solve the whole equation. So in that step we get 5 raised to power 2k minus 1. Here is 5 raised to power 2k minus 1. We just put the value of this here, and by putting and solving we will get this. So 21, which is divisible by 21. So these 3 results find true for this equation. So here I'm giving you a simple example that prove that 10 raised to power 2n minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11. So simply we have to put n equals to 1. By putting this we get 11. So 11 is divisible by itself, right? So we put assumptions. We have to put k equals to n equals to k. So we put the value of k here and we get the value here. Simply, as we done in the previous question, we just put the value of this here, that value, and by putting we get the value. So thank you so much for watching my video.